The high-quality, sturdily constructed LiteBed combines compact design with industry-leading comfort, giving your guests a restful and refreshing night's sleep. There's no assembly required. Simply place the lightweight bed where you want it, unlatch the lock, and unfold the bed. And storing LiteBed is easy. Weighing 25 pounds, it's easy to move, and it's only 5 inches thick when folded, so it's easy to store. This high-quality folding bed features a sturdy steel frame, heavy-duty bed springs, and flexible mesh support, which all provide excellent comfort and stability for up to 350 pounds. The extremely comfortable memory foam mattress molds to your body, giving you an extra restful night's sleep. And as an added bonus, LiteBed comes with a free carry bag to keep it clean and neat and easy to carry.